An electron is accelerated in an electric field of strength 40 volts per centimeter. If E by m of electron is 1.76 into 10 to the power of 11 coulombs per kg, then what is the acceleration? See, in an electric field of strength 40 volts per centimeter, an electron is accelerated. If E by m of the electron, E by m, E is the charge, m is the mass. The charge to mass ratio is a very important physical quantity in this lesson. What is E by m? It is the ratio of charge to mass. And for an electron, it is around 1.76 into 10 to the power of 11 coulombs per kg. See, charge is coulomb, mass is kg. So it is coulombs per kg. You just have to put the value of E. What is the value of E for an electron? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 divided by mass 9.31 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. When you simplify, you get this as 1.76 into 10 to the power of coulomb per kg. So E by m is an important quantity for an electron. It is 1.6 into 10 to the power of 11 coulombs per kg. Now this electron is accelerated in the electric field. As it is accelerated, the electric force acting on the electron, electric field will exert an electric force because electron is also a charged particle. So the electric force on the electron it is, if E is the electric force or electric field strength, it is E into E, that is charge of electron, should be equal to m into A, because F is equal to ma. This is nothing but force exerted, which is equal to ma. So what we want to find? We want to find the acceleration. So you can write ma is equal to E into E, or A is equal to E into E by m. Acceleration of the electron is now E into E by m, and E by m is charge to mass ratio of the electron, which is 1.76 into 10 to the power of 11 coulombs per kg. So now putting these values, E is equal to, A is equal to, that is acceleration for the electron is electric field. It is accelerated in an electric field of strength 40 volts per coulomb, that is 40 into 10 to the power of 2. 40 volts per coulomb, it's not 40 volts per coulomb, it is 40 volts centimeters to the power minus 1 per centimeter. So converting it into meters, it is 40 into 10 power 2 into this charge ratio, charge to mass ratio, it is 1.76 into 10 to the power of 11. So upon simplification, the answer will match to 7 into 10 to the power of 4 meters per second square. That is the acceleration. So what did you learn in this problem? How to find the acceleration of a charged particle which is accelerated in an electric field of known potential difference.